Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the hairline to identify breakage versus natural recession. Once done, gently detangle with a wide tooth comb and remove product buildup. This improves hold. Apply a pea-sized amount of lightweight oil to nourish follicles before styling. Make sure to use a soft toothbrush or small brush and a light hold edge control. Press in short strokes rather than rubbing. This initial sequence reduces stress on fragile hairs and sets a clean base for more corrective steps. You now reinforce edges by applying a thin layer of growth-friendly leave-in or serum at the root. Avoid protein overload if hair is brittle. Then style using controlled, short strokes. Press and smooth, don't pull, so the product sets without stretching hair. Once the shape is right, wrap a satin scarf gently for 10 to 15 minutes to lock the pattern. This prevents moisture loss and reduces friction. If you wear braids or ponytails, make sure they're loose at the hairline to prevent repeat damage. You finish by committing to repair. Schedule weekly deep conditioning and 5-minute scalp massages to boost circulation and strengthen new growth. Once you've tried conservative care for 8-12 weeks, consider adjuncts like topical minoxidil or low-level laser therapy, but consult a professional first. These work differently depending on cause. If you notice itching, burning, or sudden shedding, stop products and see a dermatologist immediately. This troubleshooting step prevents further loss and identifies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.